Here's your financial news summary for Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025. We begin with headlines from China, where Beijing's ambition for AI self-sufficiency faced a setback. DeepSeek, a major Chinese artificial intelligence startup, has postponed its latest model launch due to problems using Huawei's Seng chips. Despite government pressure to use domestic silicon, the company shifted training to Nvidia-powered systems, citing stability and performance issues with Chinese chips. This marks another reminder that China's chip tech still lags behind American counterparts in crucial AI applications. Turning now to geopolitics, a critical summit in Alaska is underway between U.S. President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin. Ahead of the talks, Trump threatened very severe consequences if Moscow refuses to agree to end the conflict in Ukraine. European leaders were reassured during preliminary briefings that the U.S. stance would not concede Ukrainian territory. Meanwhile, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, unable to directly influence the negotiations, faces deepening military losses and growing internal political unrest. Across the Atlantic, France has seen its borrowing costs converge with Italy's for the first time since the 2008 financial crisis. The yield on French 10-year bonds has surpassed 3%, while growing investor concern over political instability and fiscal pressure puts France on par with Italy, traditionally viewed as a weaker credit. This development is unsettling markets and could spell stricter scrutiny from ratings agencies if the trend continues. In the UK, the government was handed some good news on tax migration fears. Preliminary data suggests that the number of non-domiciled individuals leaving the country is in line with or even below official projections, despite worries that Chancellor Rachel Reeves' new tax policies would trigger a mass exodus of wealthy residents. Meanwhile, in the United States, a key voice at the Federal Reserve, Austin Goolsbee, warned against moving too fast toward interest rate cuts, tempering market optimism. Despite traders expecting a quarter-point cut in September, Goolsbee stressed that inflation must first be fully contained. At the same time, Trump confirmed he's narrowed down candidates to potentially replace Fed Chair Jerome Powell, signaling a significant shift in central bank leadership may be imminent if Trump wins re-election. Shifting to markets, the Seng was slightly lower, while Japan's Nikkei dropped over 1%. In the US, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq continued their upward momentum. In currencies, the dollar edged higher against the yen and European currencies. Crude oil prices posted modest gains, with Brent just under $66 a barrel. And finally, in the tech world, a staggering surge in capital is underway. Alphabet, Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta are on pace to invest over $400 billion in data center infrastructure by 2026, according to a new forecast. That's just part of an estimated $3 trillion needed to power the AI boom globally. Real estate firms, private equity groups like Blackstone, and sovereign wealth funds such as GIC are increasingly participating in what is being called one of the largest capital movements in modern history. This summary has been compiled from top financial sources including the Financial Times, Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, and The Guardian.